going on, Mr. Jason?
Tell me what you're doing.
Oh, I'm just putting this awesome 6.6 iron block together for dirt. Got a few little extra goodies inside, along with the Katech oil pump. So,
Come in here for just an engine upgrade, or was it broken, or?
Just an upgrade. This 1200 horsepower package, and he road courses it, and I guess he's just getting too much on it and pushing the nose around a little bit more than what he wants. So upgrade it to the iron block so it's not sliding so much, get a little more weight. You know, between aluminum and iron, you've got over 100 pounds of difference there.
I love it. I love it.
All right.
You're good. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Just finished dirts on the dyno here. 2018 ZL1. Hopefully we got a build video of this thing. Guy behind the camera. Do we? Hopefully. If not, is a full 6.6 iron block, stock heads, Procharger F1A-94, air to water intercooler with complete port injection with the Holley system on it. So it has stock computer with DI, and then Holley controls the port. As y'all can see, car runs on 93 octane or E85. It is a flex setup. Just finished dynoing it. 1,080 rear wheel horsepower, 895 rear wheel torque. This customer does beat the shit out of this car. He's been racing it for a long time with the stock short block in it. So now that's why we did the 6.6 iron block, 416 in it now. Yeah, so we got wheels and tires getting ready to go on it, and I think we do have wheels and tires here, right? Yeah, we'll probably put some wheels and tires on it, and I'll try to get some street video of it tomorrow for you guys. If not, we'll get some footage of it at the track with him driving it. Make some more noise, Dan. out there sending your cars to us for performance packages now. As always, we've offered this for a couple years now. We've been working with Greg. Just know it is something I highly recommend, especially our customers that do drag race a lot, that do road race a lot, that do put a lot of miles on their car to keep the car protected. So years down the road, the car still looks like a brand new vehicle. And even if 3 years down the road you decide to sell your vehicle and you are a road race guy, and it has, so I've owned my 06 Viper, had this done to it. The front end was beat up. The clear bar looked horrible after road racing it for probably a year and a half. I went to sell the vehicle, ripped that clear bar off, the paint looked brand new. So to me, it's a great investment on your $50,000 car or your $500,000 car. Either way you look at it, it protects the car, protects the paint, keeps the car looking good for now or 5 years from now. So I appreciate everything.
Absolutely.
And again, guys, you local guys that are in Texas, and if you're not, if you already have performance work done by us, or you don't even want performance work and you just want to protect your car, also hit us up and we'll get you squared away. All right, a lot of you guys out there, gearheads, are, I think, a lot like me when it comes to modding vehicles. Those of you that play with your cars yourself and you mod them yourself, or you go to shops, it's good to use a device like the Draggy. Tracks aren't always open, so you can't always get baseline results and then mod your car and see after results. So not only do we use this every day, a couple times a day, to baseline cars when they come in, whether they're stock or lightly modified, then we upgrade them to see our after results, whether it's 0 to 60s, 60 to 130s, sometimes half mile stuff, quarter mile times, everything. This little device can do it, guys. So we use it daily. I recommend those of you gearheads out there that do the same thing, I highly recommend you order it as well. And check our link below. Use our promo code LMR10 to get yours today.